Menteri Rangba Kajala, Conrad Kesang Mahanin Kisgi, Plie ke Tamasa Meghalaya Rafting, Hakashnong Tham, Haripoy District, Dakajing Tpu, but Kintiu, Yakajing Liang Hakajala. Kashnong Tham, Kalaju Penlong, Yakibabon ki program, Laki Long, but Napo Karib, Nabari Rukumjo, Yakabala Penlong, Dakaripoy Water Sports and Tourism Cooperative Society, but Meghalaya Canoe Association, but Penpau Nam Yakanikajing Lekai Sport. Haba ajing kran ha kanikasngi Menteri Rangba Kajala Conrad Kesang ma ulaya ro ya kajing treshitom jong kakenhun ban penbet penbiang ya kanika Tamasa nya lieng ha kanika dong kathan ula pentik na pakasorkar kan ya kajing kesan bupura ban kentiu ya kanika jing elek kai sport ha Kajala.
At this point in time, I must recognize the efforts that have been made by Ian Vincent and by Sheila and all the other team members who have faced all different kind of challenges and yet continue to do what they are doing. As a government, we believe that people who have passion in them to do something that they are very much passionate about and believe in, and they put their heart and soul into it. Well, government wants to support people like them, people who are willing to go that extra mile.